Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tatyanna and today's video is going to be a what's in my work bag video. So the work bag that I take pretty much all the time, and you guys may have heard me mention it in my other videos, is my Neverfull. So I have the Neverfull MM and I purchased it, I want to say like 3 years ago now. This was actually my first luxury purchase. So let's see what's inside of here. So I do have an organizer. I'm gonna see if I can try to find it on Amazon and link it below. But let me see if I can take it out for you guys. So this is everything inside of my bag. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that I carry pretty much with me every single day. So the first thing that I always carry is my agenda. I am a happy planner. I love planners. I have I'm not sure the layout, what this layout is called, but it looks like this. Ooh, I hope nothing falls out here. So I'm not sure the proper name of this layout, but yeah. So I have my planner. I have my notebook, and I actually got this notebook from TJMAXX, and I love the quote that it says on it. It says, "The secret of getting ahead is getting started." Like, I love that quote. I use this to just write every single thing that I need to write, or if I need to plan something that I can't necessarily like go in my planner. So yeah, so I have my notebook, my portable charger, because my phone is always dying. Like, if you ask any of my siblings or my friends, my phone always dies on them. Like, so I have a portable charger. And I have my Louis Vuitton pouch, and I like this because it can hold cards, and it actually also has like a ring in it, so you can hold your keys. Sometimes I keep my keys on here, but it just kind of depends on what mood I'm in. So right now I just don't have them. So I have my iPad mini. I love this thing. I need a case for it, but I just love, like, if I need to do something for my business, or I need to work on something where I need internet, it's like perfect. It's like the perfect size. I also have a big iPad that I'm using right now as like my viewfinder. But this one is just so much way more convenient because it's so small and it's not heavy, and it could just fit. It can literally fit in one of my smallest purses. So I'll probably do like another what's in my bag with a smaller bag, so y'all can really see how this literally could fit in a small bag. So I love it. I have my car keys and my house keys, and I have the little pouch that comes inside of this bag. And in here I pretty much keep just things I don't really want like loose in my bag. So I have like some lotion, mascara, and lip gloss. I have chargers and plugs, my Apple Watch charger, some random receipts and flyers, eyeliner, and my AirPods. So that's pretty much every single thing that's in my bag. So now I'm gonna tell you guys the dimensions of the bag. So the Neverfull is 12.6 by 11.4 by 6.7 inches. And I do have the ballerina pink interior. That's why I kind of got this this organizer, because I thought it matched perfectly. So you're probably wondering, you know, is the Neverfull worth the hype? Like, is it still worth getting the Neverfull in 2021? And I'm gonna tell you guys, yes. If you don't have this bag, I highly recommend the Neverfull. I think it's a great first luxury bag. Don't listen when people are like, oh, everyone has that bag, get another bag. Yes, everyone have this bag because it's amazing. Like, I literally use this bag for traveling. I just took it to Vegas, and it's like the perfect carry-on bag, and you can fit clothes. Like I was able to fit so much in this bag. I was amazed with how much I could fit inside of here. And I have the M in. It's super cute. You can wear it for work, you can wear it for school, to church. Like if you're just like a super busy person, this is like the perfect bag for like the modern woman who's like has a lot to do. You can even use it as a diaper bag. I highly recommend this bag in 2021. If you can even get a pre-loved one so you don't have to pay the price increase. But I will say that the good thing about the Neverfull, since it is always increasing in price, as long as you take good care of it, you can definitely resell it if you don't want it anymore and get at least your money back for it. So I highly recommend this bag. As y'all can see, I could fit so much stuff in this bag, and I'm definitely gonna try to link this organizer for you, and I will link the some of the products that I do have in my bag just in case you're curious for yourself. But yeah guys, that's pretty much this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos from me, I do post every Sunday and Wednesday, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. But thank you guys so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.